Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. And today I got a one more problem statement, which is more of a functional problem statement rather than a logical problem statement. And it will makes your dashboard bit more realistic. At the same time, it is a very useful if you have too many things on your dashboard. So what I mean by these things, before going into the problem statement, please check out my YouTube page where we have created more than 35 videos where I have tried to solve different kind of a problem statement in a simplest manner. And this might help you as well. And if you have any query, please reach out to my Instagram account as well. I can try to solve that individually as well. So let's jump into the problem statement now. So let's say you have too many visuals in your dashboard and you do not have that much of an space to put your filters. So you might be thinking like, can we just create a button or a filter or something like this? So whenever you want to apply a filter, just click somewhere, the filter pops up, you apply a filter, close this thing, and again back to the dashboard. So is it an achievable thing? Yes, it is. How? Let's see. So for example, I have this one of the visual I've just created for a sample thing, and I have just downloaded a simple image icon. And if it says that click here to open the filter pane, let's see. If I just hit control and these things, it should open. So here I have two filters, which is the first, the category one. Let's apply category filter I have applied. And after this, let's filter it for two regions. So if you see, this makes it easy, and you can at a close time here, you can just close these things. So you will have the amount of ample space is there. So how we can create this kind of a functionality in Power BI? Let's say select. And at the same time, you have one more functionality here that you can clear all the filter at once. If you hit this something looks like this, and again, you can close this. So it looks neat and clean at the same time. So let's see how we can do this thing. So for this, what I have done this here, I have already imported an image. I have created a filter, two filters. Now the what is the other thing we require is like we need to create a clear all filter and add a close filter pen option and this box from where you want to keep all your filters. So it will look neat and clean. So let's first insert, let me insert the clear all filter button here. So it's easy to do it. You just need to go to insert button and clear all filters. So it will clear all the filter. Let's say I selected two is the, if I just clear it will go to all. Now what else we need? Now we need one more button because it will, we need to create a bookmark out of this. So whenever we click on this button, your filter pane should be hidden after applying the filters, something like this, or after clearing all the filters. So you just need to format it a bit. So let's say style, you have to go text, you have to text, and let's say close the filter pane. So you have all four working component. Now it's something to beautify these things. Let's say we can have this kind of a shape. Let's say for a timing, I'm just taking a rectangle here and let me enlarge it. And what I can do here is shape, sorry, I have to go to style and let's select as the whiteboard. And at the same time, let me remove its border. And then we have to go to format option and send the back. Yeah, yeah, it's not select the send to back. So one more thing, just to clarify this thing, when you want to hide or make a visual backwards, you will have two options. First, the send backwards and send to back. So send backward, let's say you have three visuals, so it will just go one layer beyond the current layer. But if you do the send to the back, it means that it will go directly to the canvas, the last layer of your dashboard. So hope that is the clear fundamental between these two things. You might see and get confused. Someone might select the send backward. Instead of that, you should go for send to back, which directly send it to the last layer. So let me do one more thing. I need to border, I have to take it and let me color it as black for a time being. Now we have all the things. Now we have to make a functionality that makes it show and hide. So before going to that, one more suggestion, whenever you're creating a buttons or let's say visual or something, like just give a proper naming convention, because in a complex dashboard, you will in a later part, if something needs to be changed, you will get confused. So make sure these things that the naming convention of everything you are doing correctly. Filter, pane, box, anything which makes sense and which helps you to. Okay, look, I have just done a mistake. Yeah, just for shape, I have just done this thing. So ideally filter pane icon here, and here it should be filter shape box. Filter pane button, uh, filter pane, close filter pane. Here it should be clear all filters. Region, filter pane, yes, box. Let me do this thing. Now we have to group it all together, because it will, once you create a bookmark, it will show height kind of a thing. So we need to group it together. Let's rename it as to filter pane. Okay, let's enlarge it. Let's see. Now, once you click on this button, the selected button, you should able to show these things. And once you close the filter pane, it should disappear. Now, how we can achieve this? First, I've just selected the image thing. If you see, create a bookmark. Here in this bookmark, let's say show filter pane. Okay. Now we have to create an action for this. Once we go to bookmark, then we have to go to show filter pane, and then we are good to go. Now, one more thing, important thing, I would say, most important thing here. So whenever you apply a filter, that filter should be intact in your dashboard. Okay, let me come to this thing. Let's say if I apply technology, okay, and I just click on close the filter pane here, the technology is being applied here throughout. So whenever once you're going out of your bookmark, it should be there. And whenever click back, it should also be there. Okay. So how you can do these things, else it will be a mess. Like it won't work as per the intended way. So for this, what you need to do, go to the created bookmark, click on this three option button and uncheck the data option, and then now you have got. Now the next thing what we need to do, whenever you will close the filter pane button, it should disappear. So how we can achieve this thing? So for this things, we need to create one more bookmark, hide filter pane. Once you create these things, you need to create an action. So for this action, we have to go to bookmark, select the things. Now what we want to do, perform. Whenever we click on this close the filter pane button, it should hide your filter pane, hide this visual. If you see the eye, you have to click this, go to filter pane, hide filter pane, click here, uncheck data, it's the same thing, and update, and you are done. So let's see. Nothing is there in our dashboard. We want to filter out something, click on the filter pane. Okay, it did not get updated. So I need to do it update here. So let me do again. So once you are here, it will come here like this. Let's apply a filter, furniture, and let's select a West region. Now your dashboard should be filtered for furniture category in the region West. Now if I click on the close filter pane, your filter should be intact, but this particular dialog box should disappear. If I click here, it disappear. Number one option tick mark that okay, it has been disappeared. Let's see, and your filter is also intact. So this is how you can do it, and we can cross verify also. Let me do one thing. Let me plot something just for the convenience. Let me just plot a simple bar graph here between city, region, sales, Let's see how it looks like. So we do not have any filter applied. Click here, category, furniture, applied. Now close the filter. Your filter is also or it's intact, which is good. That is what we wanted. Now let's say we want to clear all filters. Just click clear all filter. Your whole dashboard get updated and close this panel. So this is how easily you can just create this kind of an functionality where it helps a lot when you have too many things on your dashboard and you do not have that much of a space to put your filters. So this kind of things will help you. This is a very quite easy thing. It's just that you have to make sure that you rightly check this data thing, else it would be a problem for you. So hope you are able to follow this video till this point. If you are able to, please check out my channel. Please subscribe the channel and follow for more Power BI updates. Thank you so much.